Are you?
Yeah.
You are, so am I. Look, we're just inside the Magic Kingdom. We just entered. We took the monorail
Look
here.
at our hats.
Yeah, look at that. We're in the Christmas holiday spirit and Mickey spirit. All right, so we're super excited. We're just about to walk in. It's a cold, chilly day here in Orlando. Hey there. It's cold and chilly here. Really, as you can see, we're wearing sweaters because it's minus. So I'm not in Canada anymore. It's about 12 degrees Celsius. I forget how much that is in Fahrenheit, which is really cold. It's supposed to get a little warmer, but it's chilly. Anyways, that's not gonna stop us from having a lot of fun, right?
No.
Exactly.
It's impossible, Dad.
Do you see all the decorations?
It is beautiful how they decked everything out in Christmas decorations here. It really feels like the only thing you need is the actual snow, which of course there's none of it right now, but you can even see the Christmas presents right under the tree. It's really cool. Castle, right? Sidewalks, please.
All the way up on the curb, please.
Sidewalks.
That's what the place was for.
They're about to have a show here, so we were asked to get off the road. It's a Charlie show. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but we have Fast Pass, so I think we have to get going, do our Fast Pass rides, and then we'll enjoy the shows or whatever there is to see around here. But it's just in that little area actually, which is odd. It's not the whole street that's blocked off. So yeah, so we're here in front of Cinderella's castle, and all of this area does remind me of Tokyo Disney. So of course we kind of did it backwards. Well, I did it backwards. I first went to Tokyo Disney before Orlando Disney. I mean, you came here as a kid, right? So you're fine. But so I'm comparing it to the Tokyo Disney, which is kind of unusual, but it looks very, very much the same. So right now we are going to Tomorrowland, and we have Fast Pass for
On Buzz Lightyear because it's the start of the park, and we thought we'd get that over with, and we never went on the Buzz Lightyear ride.
Yeah,
So
yeah, we didn't do that in Tokyo.
They don't. Yeah, we didn't. It was like a long lineup.
Yeah.
So we're doing it here, and then we'll make our way to Fantasyland, and we have Fast Pass Jungle Ride, the Jungle Cruise. Sorry.
Yeah, we did that in Tokyo.
Yeah, but this
That's
one's gonna be a
awesome.
Christmas themed one. So.
Oh, I didn't know that. They
So
actually,
they're- yeah.
they do theme their rides. That's really cool. All right, let's check it out. We're a little early for our Fast Pass for the Buzz Lightyear ride. We're just gonna go on the People Mover, which looks like a pretty easy-going, kind of laid-back ride with not a big lineup. Actually, the lineup just got bigger than it was just like 30 seconds ago, so maybe it was smart we came in right now. Right? Yay!
Moving around.
All right, we're in the People Mover. Okay. My expectations aren't super duper for this, but it's a nice ride to do while we wait for Buzz Lightyear. You can definitely smell the gas from those cars. They're definitely not electric cars, let me tell you.
Are going on a run.
done the People Mover ride. What did you think, Mom?
I thought, like, you know, if it was like 40 years ago, it'd be a little more exciting, but it was a great time.
But it's like the perfect, sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off, but it's like the perfect ride to kind of like just kick things off with kids and stuff, right? It's built around a whole bunch of other things and it just kind of molds to the different buildings as it goes around and around, so it's pretty neat.
Scanners detecting more trouble in Sector 9. The evil Emperor Zurg.
How do you shoot? Oh yeah. Whoa. Alright guys, so we're just done the Buzz Lightyear ride. And you like that ride, huh? Yeah, it was a little dark, so we couldn't take video in there, but it was basically like in a little, kind of like little train that you could spin around. There was a joystick in the middle you could spin around, and you had two guns on each side, so it's kind of like one of those shooting arcade games. You could shoot aliens and stuff. The kids loved that. So that was awesome. Very child friendly. Okay, come on, my bad.
This is 7 doors. The kids can't go on it, but I'd love to go on it.
They can't. Ava, do you want to go on It's a Small World?
Yes.
How much?
I can't say so much.
Really? You're in Winnie the Pooh. Oh, you're leaving. We just missed Winnie the Pooh and Tigger. We were trying to hurry to harass them.
No, just missed me.
Oh, he'll be back. He'll be back. Okay. We're waiting for It's a Small World, of course. One of the most iconic rides, if not the most iconic here at Disney. And, well, I believe so anyways. And it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad. I think they estimate 40 minutes, but it doesn't look that bad. We did It's a Small World in Tokyo, so this is the first time that we're doing it in the USA. So it'll be interesting to compare the two. Come on. Come on, my baby. We gotta go. We gotta go. All right, so this is how I'm keeping the kids entertained. This has been a really long wait. It said 40 minutes. I think we've already been here like 50 minutes. Where's my hat? Where'd you put my hat, Ella? Oh, you have it on. Oh, thanks. Well, at least you didn't throw it on the ground. Hey there. What's up? Do you like being on my head? No, don't put your finger in my head. Stop.
It's a small world. For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage. Even
compared to Tokyo, I have to say that I felt, and this could just be me, that the sound was not as loud as Tokyo. Was that just me? It didn't feel quite as atmospheric or as ambiental, I guess. Like, didn't have as much ambience as the one in Tokyo, mainly because the sound didn't feel quite as loud, quite as surrounded. It didn't kind of like, you know, draw you into the whole experience as much. The ride itself was very similar, but is it just me, or did I not see as many characters as the one in Tokyo?
I think you saw as many, but you didn't see Disney characters because the one in Tokyo updated
Right.
to have the Disney characters.
Yeah, so as I was saying, two things. So sound, not quite as loud or as surround-y kind of sound, and not as many characters or really any Disney characters that we saw. Like in the one in Tokyo, we saw Moana, we saw a bunch of characters. I think Mulan was there, a bunch of them. Here, not as many Disney characters. So those are the two differences that I would say. What are we doing, Ava, now?
Going to see Mickey. That's why I bought this.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We're going to do a meet and greet with Mickey. Come on, girls. So here it is at the Town Square Theater. So let's go in. Okay, we're going in. All right, guys. All right, we're about to see Mickey.
So nice.
All right, so we're just waiting to see Mickey. Just enjoying the surroundings.
I just got my book signed from Mickey.
Wow, where is it? Oh, there we go, Mickey Mouse. That's awesome.
He did this page.
So we're just waiting to get seated at the Skipper Canteen. We made reservations and we were a little late, so maybe that's why we have to wait a little longer. Maybe they had to give our table, but they're still accommodating our reservation. But we're just waiting, and food smells great. I'm starving. Are you hungry, babe?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
I'm really hungry. We didn't really have breakfast today.
No, I didn't eat anything today.
Yeah, it's my fault because I was kind of late. Yeah.
You guys ready to go eat?
Yes, we are.
All right, well, I have some very good news for you. We're heading into a restaurant.
The decor in here is really nice, really neat. It's very, very warm and welcoming. Very nice. And the food smells great. Oh, wow.
Someone is excited. That's good.
That's me. All right. So this is the crispiest chicken that I've ever come in contact with. The batter is crazy on it. And it has like this kind of glaze on top. Oh, wow. That is insanely crispy. I've never had anything quite like it.
Oh, I forgot to say it's really crispy.
It is.
Whoa. I forgot.
And it just has like sweet, kind of salty vinaigrette. It's kind of like a soy sauce, but not quite. Food was nice. It was the decor was like very homely, kind of, a little dark.
Homely is a bad word.
Homely is a bad word. Okay, what is it? Comfortable?
Comfortable, like you actually, okay, because I've taken a Disney cruise.
What is the right
and
word?
it felt like you were actually on like a boat, like, you know, like
Yeah.
a jungle cruise.
Yeah.
Like it just kind of lulled you to sleep. Like there was no like wave of like, you know, waves, but you kind of felt like there was.
Yeah. I guess that's the right.
Maybe it was in my head, but like, hey.
No,
They're
no,
probably happy I felt that way.
It felt like you were in the kind of like upscale dining room of a boat.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Which is nice. Which is nice.